feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian. And this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Au revoir, or hello everyone.
That's right. Dr. Ross and I are currently at the Playboy International studio.
Exactly. Our managers and our agent hooked us up with a new studio, and we're on the penthouse floor right now. As you can see, the new setup. Let's get straight into these hot topics.
And before we get into our hot topics for today, we just got back from New Orleans visiting our friends and family, as well as putting our products into more stores. But stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for our next episode. For example, the She's Hot contest.
Exactly. And before you guys know it, we will be bringing on people to our show so that we can talk with them and interview them. So stay tuned for that. Let's get into our first hot topic. We have Mike Tyson versus Roy Jones. Pre-fight is coming up. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Roy is my boy, but I know that Mike Tyson is going to go out there and put the full effect.
Exactly.
Roy, do your best, and Mike Tyson, we'll never know who wins until the battle is here. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So Kim Kardashian, Black King Sebastian, you already know that Kim Kardashian, even though she's got that third grade education, she went out to court still, claiming that she's a lawyer, and lost against Black Chyna, of all people. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
First of all, you know that Kim Kardashian did not go to it. She probably went to the school just to hang out and meet other new boyfriends other than the Kanye West.
Exactly.
But with the Miss Kim Kardashian, we know that you went to the Hard Knock school, but obviously Black Chyna went somewhere worse because she ended up beating you in the case.
And all I want to say is, Black King Sebastian, you are completely right, because Black Chyna's school that she's went to is the streets. She went to the streets and she came back and she smacked Rob across the head, the round head, in the courthouse and won.
That's right, because Black Chyna, Chris, whatever you're doing, you must be doing it wrong, because Rob, it's like he's walking around with a pistol or something. Black Chyna, she's on the streets, she's a scripper, and she said on live television that the baby is Moneybags. With the Black Chyna, she's winning this case, and she's gonna win every single other case that the courts throw at her. Because
and she has all the odds against her, which is just impossible. She must have had videos and photos of you, Rob, just holding a pistol, threatening to kill everyone. Because it is impossible. But the only thing I have to say for you, Rob, are you listening, Rob? Come real close to the camera. Are you listening? We gotta say, we have a job for you. That's for you, Rob. Close it off for us, Black King Sebastian. We'll get into our next hot topic.
that's for you, Black Chyna, and for the Kylie Jenner.
Exactly.
But let's move straight into our next hot topic with the Martin Scorsese. Apple will reportedly team up with Martin Scorsese on a $180 million movie called Killers of the Flower Moon. It will star Leonardo DiCaprio and Robert De Niro.
All I'm going to have to say about that is you guys have to keep doing you, because Leonardo DiCaprio is still going to keep getting the money despite breaking up with every single model that approaches him. And I heard he has his eye on another model, so
and
good luck on that.
One thing to say on this movie, Dr. Ross, the movie theaters, they're probably not going to be doing anything for a while, so this is just a loss. Martin, you need to take your money and just go relax. Go somewhere and just buy some cars or something. Live the vida loca.
The movie that Black King Sebastian and I are excited for, though, if you haven't seen the hat right here, is Top Gun, because you already know Tom Cruise is coming back at it again hard and stronger than ever since he sees Katie Holmes in this crazy movie. But, you know, Tom Cruise is going to be looking good when it comes out. If it does, Black King Sebastian and I will give you a review on it, and we'll keep you posted on that.
That's right, but you should have released it earlier. You should have got your money in. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So Scarlett Johansson and the SNL star Colin have officially been married. My only question is, I could have sworn they broke up, but apparently just yesterday they got married officially and tied the knot. What are your thoughts, Black King?
Who knows? She probably went to go look for someone else and couldn't find anyone. So she went running back to the one guy on the TV show.
Well,
But with Scarlett Johansson, keep doing you and keep being scandalous. You might even be the next winner for the She's Hot contest.
that's
But
right.
we don't know. Submit your votes in, everyone.
Speaking of scandalous, though, I do want to mention that, what's her name? What's the scandalous one? Oh, Kelly Ripa. Kelly Ripa recently came out, and she was trying to get her swerve on. She tried to jazz it up a little bit. She came out in her Halloween costume, which she dressed up as Wonder Woman in just underwear and a top. And fans were saying that she looks like the extremely, extremely skinny version of Wonder Woman. Now, I'm just going to stop you right there, and don't hate on the player. Let Kelly Ripa be scandalous. It's clear to Black King and Sebastian that Kelly Ripa just wants to go butt naked, and
That's
let her
right.
do it.
The second I heard the Wonder Woman, you already knew that there was going to be some bikini stuff in there.
Exactly.
And with all the fans, they need to stop hating. They need to be enjoying that she has a slim body and not something like the Lizzo. No offense, Miss Lizzo.
Yo, Obama, where is my clothes? There's your clothes.
Miss Lizzo, you're still gorgeous, that's all I'm going to say, but Kelly Ripa, let Kelly Ripa be Kelly Ripa, because obviously Mark Consuelos is back on set, and not only that, Kelly Ripa did the golden version of the Wonder Woman, so not even the classic outfit.
Let's move into our next hot topic with the Miley Cyrus. So allegedly, Miley Cyrus has rechecked into the rehab.
Can you believe that?
Miley, stop smoking the 420 and relax. We know that that's your favorite pastime, that's the favorite thing, but stop puffing the smoke and start relaxing.
Miley Cyrus, you need to get yourself in check. Like Black King Sebastian said, stop smoking all that good 420 and get your mindset straight and focus on yourself. You even got your sister Noah Cyrus coming out there in a full-on cowboy suit or cowgirl suit in a concert.
And speaking about the Noah Cyrus, we saw you at your concert, and Dr. Ross and I, we think that you have that sparkle, but you need something like Dr. Ross and I to help you with that. So contact us at Rose and Gold or DM us.
On to our last and final hot topic before we get into our horoscope for this today. We want to talk about Dak Prescott. Apparently fans are furious that Dak Prescott was cut off of the Cowboys because the Dallas Cowboys lost another game, and people are saying it's because they didn't have Dak Prescott. And Dak Prescott is still in a franchise with the Dallas Cowboys, so people are saying that they need him more than he needs them because he's still going to get his paycheck at the end of the day. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
With Dak Prescott, you already know that he's going to be getting paid from the franchising fee, which is $40 million. So Dak, once you heal with your knee injury, go out there and relax because you've been doing you've been playing football for a long time.
I say Dak Prescott deserves it. He's been through a lot, and this injury really did pound the life out of him. If you didn't see it, we'll put the clip in right here. Hate to see Dak Prescott on the ground just completely tore up, but at least he got his money. He went home with a check, and you know, you would do it too for a check.
That's
Let's get
right.
into our horoscope.
Our horoscope for today is Scorpio. You're getting along quite well with someone you sometimes bicker with. For once, the two of you are on the same wavelength and see things in the same way. The only hitch in your harmony could come later when they want to do one thing and you want to do another. For all of our Scorpios out there, happy birthday if your birthday is today.
Exactly, and like we've said in multiple Rose and Golds, I'm a Scorpio myself, so this is just good news for me.
That's right. And we'll have, by the time this is uploaded, we'll have the New Orleans trip uploaded as well, so go watch that. It has a bit of Dr. Ross's birthday festivities in there.
Exactly. Let's close it off, Black King Sebastian.
These were all of our hot topics and our horoscope for today. But with Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll catch you in the next installment of Rose and Gold. Stay tuned for the Jamaican products, as well as we will be releasing our own stickers soon.
Exactly.
We out. Playboy International. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and Gold.